Alright, so here's a quick video. You are putting up wallpaper and you know you can't finish. So what do? Let's take a peek. Alright everybody, we are installing this graphic in a business. I'm not gonna go any further so you don't see it. You might already have, but whatever. So we did the back wall and this wall. We still have this wall to go, and we're not gonna be able to finish before they close. So what we did was we installed this wall and left it hanging, so just in case we couldn't finish, but we were able to get that wall done. But this wall we're not gonna be able to finish today, or yesterday. So what we did was we just overlapped it. So the edge of the paper is right here. You can see the corner, and we just left it overhang like that. You cannot do this with every paper. This Dreamscape material works really well for this, or commercial vinyl works well for this. So today we went and did some touch-ups on that side and hung one more piece over there, and then we left this dry. And so I just got done rolling it. So I put paste on the wall, paste on the paper, so it'll start relaxing a little bit because it was all curled up kind of in a ball. Kind of cool. So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is if you use polycarbonate. So polycarbonate strips are just these thin pieces of plastic. The person who used to sell them doesn't anymore. So we actually have 2 rolls left, so I have to find a new source for this stuff. But this stuff works really good because you can just stick it right to the edge of the paper and then go ahead, put the paper down, and the polycarbonate acts as a barrier. It doesn't allow the glue to dry because it's so solid and airproof. So the paste doesn't dry on the back side or the front side. So when you come back the next day, all you have to do is lift it up, put some more glue down there just for get it wet just in case, and then you're on your way to start double cutting again. So that's a quick way that you can leave an outside corner. If you're not going to finish, then you can glue it the next day and move on. We'll do another video here of what polycarbonate is best for. So stay tuned, and here we go.